We have all heard of exfoliation, and we know that we need to incorporate it in our skincare routine. Using. And here are some frequently asked questions when it comes to exfoliation. Why do we need to exfoliate? How often should I exfoliate? What exfoliant is best for my skin type? And what is the difference between physical and chemical exfoliation? And in this video, I'm going to be answering those questions for you. Welcome to episode 19 of the series From Dark Spot to Glow, a 30-day skin rehab. In this series, I'm going to be telling you what exfoliation is, why you need it, what type of exfoliant you should use, and the difference between chemical and physical exfoliation. What is exfoliation and why do you need it? Exfoliation is basically the removal of dead skin cells. This is how it works. Our skin, there are different layers on our skin, and this one that you are looking at is the top layer. And every month, our skin has a shedding process. It sheds itself and produces a new skin. It renews itself. So when your skin produces a new skin after a month and you do not scrub the dead ones off the layer, the ones it produced will be hiding underneath, and any serum, moisturizer, or skincare products that you use would not be able to penetrate and work nice. That is why exfoliation is important, because when you use and scrub off the dead skin cells, the new skin, it will reveal a new, brighter looking complexion, smooth texture, and we allow subsequent skincare, serum, moisturizer that you use to effectively get into the skin and work effectively. And it will also help to manage dullness or any sign of skin aging. So that is why you need exfoliation. Number 2 question: often should I exfoliate? If you're a beginner at exfoliation, if you are just starting exfoliation, you should exfoliate one time in a week, because your skin is still new to it and you don't know how it is going to react to your skin. Then after you do it once in a week and you notice how well your skin reacts with it, then you switch it up to 2 to 3 times a week, maximum 2 to 3 times, but I always recommend 2 times. That takes us to the number 3 question: what exfoliant is best for my skin type? And this is where it gets complicated, because there are different kind of exfoliants for different kind of skin. There is AHA, there's BHA, there's physical exfoliants, there's chemical exfoliants, there is lactic. Out of chemical exfoliants, we have lactic acid, we have glycolic acid, we have mandelic acid. But now I'm going to be telling you which one is suitable for your skin type. If you have a sensitive skin, you will want to go for a chemical exfoliant, because chemical exfoliants is actually soft on the skin. It uses acid and enzymes to dissolve the dead skin cells enough to use on the skin. Physical exfoliants, on the other hand, is kind of harsh and coarse, and it will not suit your skin if you have a sensitive skin. It is best used for a normal skin, combination skin. There is a disadvantage when it comes to a chemical exfoliant. Chemical exfoliants can increase your sun sensitivity, meaning that it can make your skin more sensitive to the sun. And if you're actually making use of chemical exfoliants, you should make use of sunscreen along with it. Overuse can cause skin irritation, peeling, stinky, or dryness. So if you are using a chemical exfoliant, you want to be gentle with it and use it very little and very less. While physical exfoliation also has its own disadvantage, which is that it might cause micro tears on your skin if you use, or if you scrub too hard, or you use it too often. It might cause a micro tear on your skin. So my best advice for you is that always patch test any exfoliants that you are going to make use on your skin. Reduce exfoliation to 2 to 3 weeks in a week. Make use of SPF, that's sunscreen, after your exfoliating section. Advise the use of moisturizer, barrier-friendly, barrier-repairing ingredients or products that contain niacinamide, hyaluronic acid, ceramide, panthenol, and shea butter that will help keep your skin healthy. Feel itchy, stinks, or feels dry, then you should stop exfoliation for a couple of weeks and repair your skin barrier first. Then after that, you can resume your exfoliation. So if you find this tip helpful, follow for more video like this.